Welcome students. Today we will discuss our new chapter, that is fractions and decimals. Okay. So from this chapter, first of all we will take the topic fractions. Okay. So we will discuss what fraction is. So when we are saying half, okay, so what half means? For example, we are having a rectangle and we divide it into two equal parts. Okay, so each part represent half of the whole rectangle. So that half, it is a fraction. Okay, or we are saying 1/5. Okay, so same we will discuss. We can say in rectangle also or any of the diagram. Okay, so 1/5, what it means? We divide it into 5 equal parts. Okay, so each part represent 1/5. Okay, so in a fraction, if we are saying 1/2, it is a fraction, it is a part for whole, and where this portion, it is called the numerator, and this is the denominator. Okay, so these two are the terms in a fraction. Now we will discuss about different types of fraction. So first of all, there is proper fraction. Okay, different type of fraction we will discuss on comparing the numerator and denominator. If we talk about proper fraction, so in proper fraction, always numerator is less than denominator. Okay, so in a fraction where numerator is less than denominator, it is a proper fraction. For example, 2/5. So here numerator is less than denominator. Denominator is greater than numerator. So it is a proper fraction. Another, it is improper fraction. So improper fraction is just reciprocal of proper fraction. Okay, so in it numerator is greater than denominator. For example, if we inverse it, if we reverse it, it becomes 5/2. So in this case numerator is greater than denominator. So it is improper fraction. Next type is mixed fraction. As the name is saying, mixed fraction means it is the combination of whole and a fraction. Okay, so you can say if it is given that 2 3/5. So where 2 it is whole and it is fraction. So this one it is a mixed fraction where 2 is whole and 3/5 it is fraction, and we can also read it out as 2 whole 3/5. Okay. Now the next topic is the conversion. Conversion of the mixed fraction, okay, into the improper one or the proper one. Just see, for example, this is given to you 2 whole 3/5. Now we have to convert it. Okay, we have to convert it. So in this case, how we have to convert it? So the process, the step for conversion is, first of all, for this denominator, we will multiply this denominator with 2. Okay, then whatever the result we are getting, we have to add this numerator to it. How? First of all, we will multiply 5 to 2. Then whatever the result we are getting, we will add 3 to it, and denominator is as it is. So what we are getting? 10 plus 3/5. So it is 13/5. Okay, you can also do it directly. How? 5 2 is 10, 10 plus 3 13/5. That is your answer. Okay, now if any fraction is given to you, improper fraction is given to you, you can also convert it into mixed fraction. How? The same example or some another example I will show to you. For example, we are having 7 upon 4. You have to convert it into mixed fraction. So in that case, what you will do? You will divide 7 by 4. So what we get? 4 ones are, it is 4. And what the remainder is? It is 3. Okay. So now how we will write it? Whatever the answer we are having, it is written as whole. Whatever the remainder is, it is in the numerator. And whatever by which we are dividing, it is in the denominator. So this is the mixed fraction from this fraction. Okay, you can convert it to in the mixed fraction. Again, you can reverse it. How you can reverse it? 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 upon 4 you are getting. So you can convert it. Okay, in the both way. You can convert it into the improper fraction. Again, you can convert it into the mixed fraction. Okay. Now the next topic, it is addition. We have to add fraction. Okay. So for addition, for example, I am giving you a question. Okay, I help you for solving that particular question. For example, we are having a question 3 upon 5 and 2 upon 7. Okay, so we have to take first of all LCM of the denominator. Okay, or if you are having only 2 numbers to add, in that case you can also do cross multiplication. Okay, both method you can use. Okay, so first of all you have to take LCM of the denominator. So LCM of denominator is 7 5, so it is 35. Okay, now how to take the LCM and add it? Okay, so for that I tell you the easiest way. We can use the term as LDM. It is different than LCM. It is not LCM. Okay, so it is LDM, where L means, what L means? LCM of denominator. L means LCM of denominator. D means division. ठीक है, division of what? Whatever the LCM you are getting upon denominator, you have to divide LCM you are getting by denominator. Then next is multiplication. What you have to multiply? You have to multiply the result by numerator. Okay, so what the steps are? LCM of denominator. So LCM of denominator is 35. Now division, LCM by denominator. So 35 divided by 5, we are getting 7. Then multiply by numerator 3. You are getting it? Again, plus sign is there, plus. If minus is there, minus. The same you can do in the subtraction also. So again, denominator, LCM divide by denominator 5. That 5 multiply by numerator. Now solve is 21, 10 upon 35. So we are getting 31 upon 35. So that is our answer. You are getting it or not? The same we will do in the subtraction also. If it is subtraction, instead of plus sign we will put minus. Okay, if more than 2 terms, the same method you will apply. Again you will divide, multiply, divide and multiply. Okay, so these 3 steps you have to learn. LDM, LCM of denominator, division of LCM by denominator, and then multiply the result by numerator. Now we will discuss multiplication and division. So for multiplication, what you will do, just see. For example, we are having 2 fraction. It is 9 upon 2 and you have to multiply it by 2 upon 3. Okay. So multiplication, you just multiply the numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. So what we are getting? 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are, it is 18, 3 twos are 6. and again if it is possible you have to reduce it. Okay, you have to reduce it. So how to reduce it? You are getting 3. So that is your result. Okay, again one more example. If it is mixed fraction, just see if it is mixed fraction how you will solve. 2 whole 1 upon 5 multiply by 1 whole 3 upon 2. First of all you have to convert it. 5 2s are 10 and 1 11 upon 5. 2 1s are 2 and plus 3 it is 5 upon 2. Okay, or you can also do 5 and 5 cancel out. It is 11 upon 2. Okay. Now our next topic it is division. So how you will divide? Just see the same thing. We are having 9 upon 2 divided by 2 upon 3. So for division what you will do? First term will be as it is. Instead of division put multiplication sign and we have to reverse. We have to take reciprocal of the second term. What it means? Numerator becomes denominator and denominator will be numerator. It will be 3 upon 2. So what the answer we are getting? 27 upon 4. So in case of division, reciprocal of second term then multiply it. Okay. So these all are the topics which we have completed, which we have covered in our video. So on the basis of these topics, you have to complete your exercise.